Hello, welcome guys. Welcome to the another tutorial in Python where we are going to code some basic programs or projects and learn the Python and will make our foundation strong. So let's get started and see what we are going to make today. So today we are going to make a log calculator and and we are going to make playing games. As you all have played games game in your childhood where you calculated your and your special one relationship with each other by using these games. So today we are going to do it by our program. So let's get started. We will define a main function. This is very basic. We do it in our all the codes. So today also we'll start by doing it. And firstly, we will call it. So if underscore name underscore equal to double equal to main underscore column we call main. So this basically does if the name wherever in a program or script we see something as main, so it immediately calls the main. So if underscore name is equal to underscore main underscore, it will call the main function. In simpler terms, its meaning is the program execution will start from here. Okay. So first we will call here main function. Now let's define the main function. So we will print the message. We will print the message. You can calculate your relationship status or your love for someone. This is not very scientific or astrological. This is just a basic game we play in our childhood. So we will do it today also. So do not take the game seriously. Yes, but take the program seriously. So we will give the options. Number 1, your relationship. Number 2, test. Number 2, your relationship. Your love of someone. Alt Z. While pressing Alt Z, it just brings the content here, but it is in line 2 only. The love for someone has not gone into line 3. Okay. Now we will ask the input from the user. Start is equal to input. Choose any one of the two. Choose any one of the two. So now we will define here if start is equal to 1. We will ask the use from the input 1, 2, not ABCD. And here we are writing the number one in integer in single quotes as the input function. It indirectly converts the what we have given the input into string. Okay, so we are writing the one here as a string and not as a integer. Okay, so if start is equal to 1, we'll call flame function or elif start is equal to 2, which is a string. We'll call log function. Else print you chose the wrong, you press wrong button, and by printing this we will exit the program. Exit. Okay. Now we will here define the flame function and log function. Since log calculation is easy, let us first code it, then we will go for flame. As it a bit longer than log. So def log equal to def log colon, and now we are going to calculate the log between two functions. So here first we will ask for the input from the user, that is the name. Let us do it. So name1 is equal to input enter the first person name. Similarly, we'll copy the line down by the shortcut in keyboard shift alt the down arrow key. We'll change here. Variable name cannot be same. So name2 is equal to second person. Okay. Now, if someone has given the name like this, Bharat Kumar, so we see here space. So first we will remove the space from it, then we will do something. Now for removing the space and converting the input, converting all the characters in the name in lowercase, we will do something like this. Name1 is equal to name1 dot replace old string which we have to replace, that is what we can say, space with nothing, new string. Okay, and I will copy the line down by shift alt plus down button, shift alt and down arrow key, name equal to name2 dot replace. Okay, now we have converted the string, two words in a string into one word, or unlimited words in the string into one word. Now let's move forward and see what we can do. Here we will calculate someone's name, someone character's value, that is, we know that a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and so on. So we will calculate it. For this we will call a function called char to value function. It will take a char, only one character as input. Now let's define it. Its value will now, just wait for some time. Char to value. Basically, it will do is it will convert the numerical it will convert the alphabetical value into its numerical form, that is equal to 1, b equal to 2, z equal to 26, and 15. So it will take only one character as input. Now let's see how it goes. We will directly return the value, that is return ORD. This function calls the ASCII value of the character we have given to it. That is, we know the ASCII value of small letter, small case a equal to 97, small case b equal to 98, and so on. So this ORD function convert the alphabetical value into its ASCII value. Okay. We have converted the character into its ASCII value. Now we will convert the input received in the function into lowercase form by applying dot lower function and by subtracting 96. As we know the value, why we are subtracting 96? Because the ASCII value of small a is 97, and we want the numerical value of a equal to 1. So we are subtracting it by 96 and returning the function. Okay. So we will calculate all the numerical value of the person's name. So we will calculate the numerical value of all the characters in a function in a person's name. So for this, we will define, or we will create a variable or some variable which will store the sum of all the characters of a person name. Okay. Sum 1 for name 1, sum 2 for name 2. Now, what we will do, we will follow for loop for character star in name 1. Follow. It will iterate all over the name 1, and let's see. For first character in name 1, it will call the sum character to value function. Sum 1 will store the value sum 1 plus character to value function, and we will pass the character. So it will calculate the sum of all the alphabets in a person's name. Likewise, it will calculate for the name 2 also. Now we will calculate the log between them. So page will be calculated by adding both the sum and taking it mod by 101. It's because let's see, sum 1 plus sum 2. So let us suppose if sum 1 value is 30 and sum 2 value is 50. So what is the percentage between them? 80. But similar case scenario, if someone is 70 degrees plus sum 2 value is 50 degrees, it will be 120 degrees. 120. Sum 1 value is 70. If rare case scenario, sum 1 value is 70 and sum 2 value is 50. What will be total? What will be the total? 120. So here, but we are calculating the love in percentage, and we will keep the percentage between 0 and 100. So for keeping it between 0 and 100, we will take the mod of the sum by 101. Why 101 and not by 100? Because if we let's look at a small example. We take the 5 modulus 2. What will we get? Get 1. Take another example. It will take 6 modulus 2. What we will be getting? 2. Another example. 31 modulus 2. What will be getting? 1. Yes, right. So from these 3 examples, it is clear that whenever you will take mod by any number, you will get the numbers less than it, not equal to it, only less than it. So that's why we are taking mod by 101. Okay. Now the simple example is just to display the percentage. So here we will print formatted string the love between the love between name 1 and name 2 is the percentage percent. Now let's try to run it. It's working good. We should define the play function also as it will give some error. So the same. We are not writing the definition of the function. We are just passing something. So it does not give any error. Oh, it still is giving some error. It's not giving an error. C. Can calculate a relationship status on your love for someone. The relationship or a love for someone. So I will choose. Example, I will press K. To press the wrong button and we have executed a program. Now again we'll run it. Choose to enter the first console name. It is not trustworthy. This is crush, not free. The love between our kids child and sorry for it. Be getting any love from Marisha. Now let's calculate. Let's define flame function. So now guys, we are going to calculate the flame function. Again, we are going to ask the user from the name of the 2% on whom we are going to calculate the flame. So we'll just copy it, Control C and Control paste. Now we will, as we know how to play the flame games, we take the common letter in the name like Bob and Baby. Other two names, we take the common letters in the two names and remove it, and then calculate the flames by moving circularly and removing each character in the flames, and whatever the last character remains is the relationship between them. So let's try this on Bob and Baby. So here the common remove will be Bob. If B is in Baby and Bob, so we'll remove B from Bob and Baby. It will be OB and ABY. Now we will remove O is not in ABY, so we will not remove it. Now again B. Here B is in Bob, that is here, and again B is in baby, that is here. So we'll remove B from it. That is O and AY. Now the two names have nothing in common, so we'll calculate the total number of characters in the name, that is 3. Now by moving in circular fashion, we will now moving in circular fashion in plane, we will remove the characters from the frame by the count of 3. So let's see what the relation between Bob and baby. 1 claims F1, L2, A3. So we will remove A. Now again we will start from starting F1, L2. We'll not start from starting, we'll start from the next character. So M1, E2, S3. So we'll remove S. Now we will start from starting as we have removed the last character. Now F1, L2, M3. So we'll remove one. Now we'll start from E1, F2, L3. So we'll remove L. Now we have only two characters name, two characters left. So F1, E2, F3. So we'll remove F. So the relationship between Bob and baby remains is E, that is enemy. Oops. And so the relationship between the Bob and baby remains is enemy. Now I know it's wrong, let's check it. Claims from let's yes, yeah. Friends, level, affectionate, marriage, living, siblings. This is the frame before. Here we will copy it and we'll keep it in the comments. Okay. So enemies, ENEMIES. Enemies. So the relationship between the Bob person and baby person we got is enemy. Now let's try to code it and see how we will do. This is how we play games, and we will ask the user for the name, and on names we will remove the common characters in it. For removing the common characters, we will define another function called remove common characters jar. Okay, it will take two input, name 1, name 2. This has nothing to do with this, so we will just collapse it. Okay guys, now name 1 and name 2. I will remove the common characters from this, and from here we will get the total number of counts or total number of characters named in both the two names, both the two. Here we will return character count equal to common chart pass name 1 and name 2. Okay guys, Now we have received the names as a string, and somewhat the strings calculation are difficult to perform, so we will convert the string into list. So how to convert the string into list explicitly is name1 is equal to list name. So we have converted the name1 to list. Before it was in string. Okay. Similarly for name2 list name2. Somewhat string calculations are easy to perform. So that's why we are converting the strings into list. Now for char in name1. Okay. For char in name1, if char in name2 colon, we will both remove the name1 occurrence and name2 occurrence. We will both remove the occurrence of character from name1 and name2. So for this we will write the syntax name1 dot remove. We will pass the letter char. Similarly, and from here we will be getting only the different letters in both the names. So let's check it. So let's check it. Here I will pass name1 equal to wow, name2 equal to 3. We got previously as 3 characters which are different. Count is equal to length of name1 plus length of name2. We print count. This one first of name something 3. Don't look at this something guys, as I passed something from here, but I have taken the default value as bomb and boom. Okay, or we can just comment it and see. We have to find name1 empty string, similarly name2 empty string. Now let's see what happens. One, right. So instead of doing this, we will just pass the name here. Edit. This also delete. Dog and then now let's see. Previously we got 3, and here also we are getting 3. Good. Now we will return this count variable. Instead of doing this all, we can just return it directly. This return back. It will be more compact. So here we will getting the number of characters which are different in both the names, and now we'll call the actual game and see what the relation is between the two persons. Okay, relation game. Here also we'll pass the two name, name1 and name. Let us define the names. Game function will take two variables, parameters in it. It is name1 and name2. So before doing it, guys, let us, if someone has given the name Bob Kumar or Bob Vishwas, so there will be a space in between the names too. So here also we need to remove the spaces. So for this, we will similarly remove the spaces as we have done in the log calculation. Log calculator, that is name1 dot replace this whole string, which is space which we have to replace by nothing. Alt shift down arrow key for removing, and here we will take the now let's define a game function. Guys, flame function will not take the input as names, it will take the input which we will getting from here. We will not give it parameters as name, but we will give the parameter as character count, which are the different characters or letters we have received from the two names given. Okay, now first we'll define the name. Name is equal to, it is a list. Okay, list will contain full form, we know from here, friends, lovers, affectionate, marriage, enemies, siblings. Now what we'll do is we will calculate a split index, or we will calculate an index which we are going to remove. We will calculate the index for the flames, that is this list, and we will remove that index from here, or index characters from here. Okay, now so how to do it? Index equal to count, which we have received as a parameter, count modulus length of flames. Okay. And as it is zero based indexing, we need to subtract it by -1. So to convert the indexing to zero based indexing. Now we will remove the characters or index or the objects from the flames till we have only one item remain in the list. So for that we will take a while loop. While then the loop will run until the length of flames is greater than 1. We calculate the index. Yes. To move the line down, we need to, if we have to move something above or below, we will press Alt, and above or below. If this thing calculates to greater than 1, this will give us a positive number. If this calculates to 0, by subtracting 1, we will be getting a negative number or negative index. And we know if we get any negative index in a list, we can slice it or remove the things from here, from starting at the last to the start. Okay, so if index is greater than equal to 0, if the index we receive is positive, we will just slice the, let's see, let us create a list. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now if I have to slice the list from starting 1 till 5, so how will I write? I want 5 in the new list, so m is equal to l we need from starting, so we will not put anything here, but we will write colon, and we need 5 0 1 2 3 4, so till 5 we want, so we will enter 5 and square bracket, let's see, we will get 1 2 3 4 5. Similarly, if I want to slice the list from 5 to last, I will do it like I have to start from 5, or I say 4, as it is 0 based indexing, till colon further till last. So what I am getting, 5 6 7 8 9, I am getting from 5 till 0. Okay, now as you can see, we will give the list a 0 based indexing, that is the index will have its own value as the list items. From here you will get it more clearly. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay guys, now list is updated. If I have to slice L from 5 to 6, how much item will I must be getting in the list? Let's check. Only one item, that is 5. It is because 5 to 6, it will this parameter here in slicing, it does not take the last value input, so we will not take the 6, instead we will take only 5. Okay guys, so now I think you understand it. So here we will be slicing the index and the calculation we have performed. The count modulus the length of frame minus 1. Minus 1 because we are doing a 0 based indexing. So write equal to frames. I want to slice from the starting, from the index I have, that is this, to the last value. So this will give me from that I have index like 2 0 1 2. I have calculated the index 2, so I want a list from here to here and a list from here to here. So I'll slice it from here to here and here to here. And left hand side from frames from starting to the index which I have calculated. Now I have sliced the indexes and kept the slice part into the right and left variable. Now I will again merge both the list. So what I have done, I have sliced the number from here to here, sliced the list from here to the last, and from here to here. Now what I got was in right I got MES, and in left I got FL. Now I have merged the list. By merging, I have successfully removed the index which I have to remove from here. So, and if I merge this, I will get a new list, that is FLMEX, which is a new list. So this slicing is done. This has to done for positive index. Now if the index is negative, we will directly remove the last item in the list, that is claims equal to. What will I be doing? I will be returning only the 0th index, because this will perform only till the length of the claim is 1. So I will be returning the 0th index for the last item left in the claims. It is on the 0th index. Now, the relation I have got here. Now I will define the relation. That is state. So here I will be using a dictionary for defining the relation. Relation is equal to a dictionary, dictionary as how f is equal to friends. My bad guys. Dictionary is a key value pair, the key and its value, and we will be getting a key like this here only, as we have a list of FLA and these things. Okay. Now guys, the dictionary has been defined for the things. Now we just have to print the relationship. For this we will use print function, print relationship between name1, name2. My bad guys, it could be formatted thing is name result, name relation, and we will be finished. Once we have completed our claims program, now let's try to run it and see if it is working correctly. So relationship number 1, the relationship between Bob and Baby's friends. And this we have named Bob and Baby. Now let's check for Alice. Bob and Alice be marriage. Once Bob and Alice is affection. Okay. So now see, we have a game for our friends or a special one for whom we can hit. So now guys, we have done our basic program in Python of calculating the relationship between a person and calculating the love percentage between them. If you like the content and you want to give any improvements, just comment on it and I will work on it and will try to resolve it as soon as possible. And if you want any topic on any video and another topic, please just comment and let us know. Thank you. Keep learning.